Don't let me screw into the new workbench, Gabe. Admire it, cherish it.
Oh, come on, Dan! I could not save that!
It's all right. We're
Great.
good. We're good.
Hey, you guys, my name is Gabe Cruz. You can follow me on Instagram, GabeCruz01. This is Uzi Walker. That's a glow border. That right here is the famous, amazing Will Cortez. The Olympian for the Mexican national team. Let's give him a round. Special guest. And over here, we have Mowgli.
Jimbo book.
And we have a very special box here. It says redemption. And you may be wondering, what is that? Well, let me just open this box with my mind. There it is. Just like that, it's already open. So if you look inside this box, you take this out.
It's a skateboard.
It's a very small skateboard. Technical term, fingerboard.
Skateboard France.
So Redemption is a fingerboard company, and they make very, very professional fingerboards. But I just want to emphasize how professionally made these are real quick. So it's actual wood, real wood. Go and feel that, Dan. Give it a nice, give it a feel real quick. Hang on. Isn't that nice? It's real wood.
Feels like wood, Gabe.
Real stainless steel. And then if you look at the wheels, they have actual bearings in them. They have ball bearings in the wheels. They will go forever. And then if you look, there's actually plies, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's 5 ply from what I can see. But I could be wrong, I just don't have that great of vision. So you guys may have seen, a little while ago, Uzi had the fantastic idea to make a Tech Deck skateboard where we attach Tech Decks to the bottom of the skateboard and see how it works out. It didn't work out that well, so we thought, what happens if we use a professional grade fingerboard all on the bottom?
If we used fingerboards, what would happen?
That's exactly what I just asked.
I think it would actually roll.
I hope so. I guess we'll find out. And now we have the Braille House 2.0, so we're ready to go. So Uzi, I'm gonna give all these to you.
How many of these do we have? They got a green one. They got an orange one.
And we're gonna let Uzi go to work.
They got a black one.
Ooh. These are built unnecessarily good.
Isn't that crazy?
Look at that ply. You got a green layer in it. That's amazing.
Isn't it?
Professional fingerboarders.
What is a fingerboarder?
My tongue got twisted. I'm excited. People that fingerboard are really hyped because this is more of a real experience now. Like right now I felt it and I felt like I was grabbing my real skateboard, but for my fingers.
Fingerboarder.
Changing the skate scene.
Seriously.
All right. So we got the plies.
Yeah, we got the
We
method
just
right here.
bring it out.
Slide it up. Oh! Professional!
Wow.
Let's go!
All right, let's see here. These are not cut to the right length.
Well, I don't have my chainsaw here.
We got some beginner over here.
I don't got my saw
Can
out.
we get a skill saw in here, people? Let's go! You're over here just having a full-on sesh, huh?
Dude, these things are sick. The MK Proto.
Oh, very nice. I like it. Look at it. Oh, wait,
Hey, do not drill into the new workbench.
Don't let me screw into the new workbench, Gabe. You know, this is going a lot smoother than the first time.
Ah!
Look, that's a.
Dang, that is a clean break. You went to school for this?
He's got a degree in breakology.
He's a human skill saw. Oh,
Let's go!
I think you have a hidden talent, like a special talent. You got this.
No.
Not gonna
Alright, come on, let me get it.
Look at that face.
Ah, that's not happening.
Just leave that one.
No, let's see you try.
Let me get it go.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh my God. Let's go! Are you gonna drop in like you did in the last
no,
one?
we don't want to ruin it first thing.
What if it gets ruined before you can
No,
drop in?
it won't. Let's just take a second, look at it, admire it, cherish it, feel it. You want to feel it?
Yeah, I do. Oh wait, isn't that sound?
Sounds like a rain stick.
All right, Dan. I think we should just like roll it down something, right? Just the board to see how the bearings are on the fingerboards.
All right, let's have it go over here.
Oh, come on, Dan! I could not save that.
First thing.
Really?
Wow. It's all right. We're
Great.
good. We're good. All right, I'm full weight. Here we go.
Oh, it worked.
I'm scared.
All right. You want to ride down the bank or drop in first?
Let Will drop in on me.
Will, you're up, my man.
I'm gonna get some weight on it too, just so I
All right, do this.
Oh, I'm gonna get smoked.
Oh, wait. Can I get this? Wait, let me get this. All the little mini trucks are locked in perfectly on the coping. Look at that, Dan.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna get smoked.
Good luck.
You ready?
Yeah.
That was sick.
Lost the wheel, but
Hey, we gotta find all the wheels because someone's gonna hit one and get bodied.
really good. Did they?
That's broken.
Look, they didn't flat spot.
Oh.
They didn't flat
So
spot.
with the Tech Decks, the second we rolled on them or dropped in, they immediately flat spotted. They got too hot.
Oh, wow.
But this is also wood though.
There's like 70 of them.
We're still good. We're still
All right.
good.
All right, Dan,
got a bigger
down the
drop
bank.
You want me to, or you want someone else to try something? I think if I rolled into this, once you hit the flat, it would break them off.
Okay, well, is it gonna break more going to flat or kick flipping?
I don't know. Probably flat. Honestly, it'd be break. Grind the rail.
North side.
Can you
Yeah,
do
I mean,
that?
it does have trucks.
What I was gonna say, what about roll off that ledge onto the bank?
If you go for that,
What about this?
Caveman 50.
It's overpaid.
Caveman 50 grinding with every truck.
What are you doing? Can we
Mowgli
push
said
you?
he won't even try it. No, I'm good.
Dude, just let us push you.
You gotta jump onto it right there.
Oh my God!
Oh, you lost one.
It doesn't really stay under me.
Hey, look, you know the best thing about this board is that how many are on the bottom?
A lot.
There's, you know what? Never mind.
All right, one more.
He's gonna go. He's in a manual.
No. Dan, you got that? Let's go! Yeah! Come on, Dan! Let's go! Do it!
That count! That was gnarlier because he had to hop on, stay on, and
Yeah! The Ice King! We can smash.
One more time?
You gotta land it. You gotta roll away clean.
We're good.
Oh, dang! Oh, dang! Hold on! You gotta get the free run! Oh! Oh!
I don't know. Just got bodied.
All right, go for the 50.
Caveman 50! Caveman 50!
All right.
Let's go!
We have a few warriors left. Let's see what they do.
Mowgli's the best.
That's good. Let's save me.
That was sick. Come on, Dan. That was the best thing you've ever done. Let's go.
We lost a soldier. Mellow. Let's keep it mellow.
Do that kickflip. Let's go!
I think this is a lot better than the Tech Deck one.
Poor soldier.
A little more realistic too.
I got you, dog.
Hold up, dude. This thing got obliterated.
Hey, they're about to get obliterated right now too. That was not what I was
How
trying.
did you land that?
Nollie, Mario Hill.
Wait, what if I pull you on the cart?
I don't think that's gonna work.
We might as well have some fun.
Go for it. Ah! It's good.
I'm not moving.
Hold up, we gotta give you like a little.
Oh, I think it's broke.
I don't think that's gonna work.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going. Hey, that was impressive. I saw him doing 360s.
Oh, dude, that is hot. Oh. Yeah, the wheel burnt my finger.
I think that worked a lot better than the Tech Decks.
Yeah, definitely. I think
Redemption.
that was a success.
Redemption fingerboards, they're the real deal.
They are good.
That is right. If you guys want to check them out, definitely go to redemptionfb.com. The link will be in the description below. That was amazing.
That was awesome.
That worked a lot better.
I didn't
than
hit
before.
the 3 block, but I hit the drop, so I feel like it counts. And he hit the
It counts.
handrail.
Yeah.
He hit the handrail, and he landed it. We did some
Got some
wakeboarding.
bangers. Some good
Definitely.
stuff. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard and check out a Redemption fingerboard because they're great.